in which there is increase in temperature with increase in height instead of normal lapse rate, instead of and it ceases CEASES and it ceases रोक देता है convections and ceases convection. Okay? Next one that we are seeing that radiation inversion. You know that on the ground आपको ये पता है कि आ जाए, मैंने आपको स्पेसिफिक हीट पढ़ा बताया, स्पेसिफिक हीट के अनुसार से मैंने बताया कि एवरी वन प्रॉपर्टी हैज समवॉट property to absorb the heat and property to release the heat. Yes or no? Absorption and release. और कब release करते हैं? In the absence of sun rays. In the absence of sun rays. So night, daytime में तो ही the earth has absorbed the heat, but in the daytime they started what? Releasing the heat. So in the night time releasing the heat. और इस समय हीट को रिलीज जब करते हैं, बट देयर शुड बी इन ए क्लियर स्काई. रिमेंबर दैट स्काई शुड बी क्लियर. बताया था ना, इफ द स्काई विल बी व्हाट इज द क्लाउडी, देन द हीट विल रिटर्न बैक टू द अर्थ सरफेस. सो व्हेन द हीट इज रिलीजिंग slowly and slowly, this upper atmosphere will become what? Warm by convection. Yes or no? By radiation. This upper region become warm by what I said that? But after that, this upper atmosphere become what? This upper atmosphere means higher upper atmosphere nahi, lower upper atmosphere warmed by radiation, and then that over this the earth's surface ground become colder. So the ground become colder after radiation. अब ये क्या हो गया? This layer now it has been colder, so by the conduction, this air, conduction समझते हैं ना, conduction, one it is in a radiation, another is in a convection, another I said that conduction. And radiation में होता है कि to transfer the heat there is no need of any medium, it can pass through the what is in a solid, liquid और मतलब ये सब चीज जरूरत नहीं है, it can pass through the gaseous and without any medium. Understood? Radiation. लेकिन conduction के लिए क्या चाहिए? पानी को गर्म करते हुए convection है. Yes or not? Warm air is moving up, it is convection. But I said that this air has got what is in a hot. So इसके contact में ये air will also started vibrating hot. So it is in a transferring of the heat through the what is, and I said that vibration of the air particles. Okay, air is not moving. Air particle vibration. So I said that ये जब ठंडा हो गया तो near to the ground molecules also get colder. Comparatively, these other molecules started colder. So the lower atmosphere near to the ground become colder through conduction. Lower atmosphere near ground become colder through conduction. Colder through conduction. And this way we are able to get what? Temperature. With increasing height there is an increase in the temperature. This section become warm and this section is what? colder, and now this air will not convect upward because he is finding that I am colder than surrounding. Understood? So this is known as a radiation inversion, and it is a general phenomena in the night. कब होता है? It is happening in the night. Okay, next one I said that air drainage inversion, and we have done this. कर लिया हमने अभी. Katabatic wind, when the wind is descending down in the night time. In the night time, mountainous slopes become much more colder than the valley under the adiabatic expansion, and then under the different slopes. And the valley region is a warmer compared to the what is in a mountain. And when the katabatic wind descending, then they have replaced the warmer wind upward, which is lighter, and they have been able to create a temperature inversion. That is known as an air drainage inversion, जो पिछली क्लास अभी मैंने करवाया. Next one I said that advection inversion. Understood? Suppose this region is warmer and this region is colder. I said if it is warmer, then they will have, I said that warm air. Yes. And if it is in a colder ice surface, it can be, I said that ice cone लिख दिया क्या मैंने? Ice cover, colder ice cover. And if it is in a colder, then air in the contact of this it will be what I said that colder and heavier, and it will be, I said that warm and lighter. And when it is moving, so I said that air from the warmer surface or maybe warm ocean surface moving over the ice, colder ice cover or colder surface or colder water surface. When it is moving over, then it can started becoming, then this warmer air which is in a comparatively lighter in nature, they started what? Riding over cold surface. So the warm air riding over cold air. Warm air started riding over cold air. तो इसकी वजह से क्या हो गया? Just tell me, cold air के ऊपर warm air started riding over. So in this condition, what you will feel? So warm air has a more moisture also. पहले तो यहाँ पे temperature inversion हो गया, because of this there is a what? Temperature inversion. और convection means upward and downward movement, and advection means horizontal movement. Convection means upward and downward, convection means, and advection means always what is a horizontal movement. So यहाँ पे the warm air started riding over the colder air. So in the contact of this colder surface, colder ice, colder water, ocean surface, then the warmer the air from this one they started riding over. And when they started riding over, the temperature inversion come into play. And at the same time, the moisture in this, So warm air can hold more moisture. And when it comes over the colder surface, suddenly they find less temperature. They started what? Contract हुआ और contract होने के चक्कर में they got saturated. So the warm air moisture get saturated and then it forms fog, or this fog is known as advection fog. So there is a formation of temperature inversion and advection fog. You know that cold Labrador current, there is a coming of, I said that cold Labrador current, and from here warm Gulf Stream, ocean current, and they are meeting here. And when they are meeting here, then the warmer air over the warm ocean current will start riding over the cold, and there will be a formation of what? In this region, क्या बनेगा? Advection fog. And this advection fog stops navigation. So in this region, navigation is what is stopped. The no sea transportation network always getting in a problem. Sinking of Titanic can happen. Another picture will come. So if it is there, so I said that, is it okay? समझ में आ रहा है? So especially fog condition in the ocean, and यहाँ पे fog बनता है, that is an advection fog, and it is due to the temperature inversion. और यहीं पे सबसे ज़्यादा आपको पता है कि यहाँ पे this is the reason where there is also fisheries are there, fisheries ground. So the navigation problem and then fishery ground, lots of phytoplankton, zooplankton. Understood? Advection, inversion. Next point I say, subsidence inversion. In the subsidence inversion, suppose at a height of 2 km or 1 km, and I said that here it is suppose 20 degrees Celsius, at height of 1 km there will be 10 degrees Celsius. Suppose London temperature is 20 degrees Celsius on the ground. So 1 km there is no moisture, so it will try to behave like what? Dry adiabatic. So there will be loss of 10 degrees Celsius. This is clear. And then I said that from the upper atmosphere, from the upper atmosphere, one air is descending. From the upper atmosphere, what is happening? Air is descending. And here its temperature is, I said that its temperature is minus 20 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature? At 5 km height, its temperature is minus 20 degrees Celsius. So if it is in a minus 20 degrees Celsius, then when it started coming minus 10, 0, 10, and by before reaching it will be what? I said that here the temperature is what? 10 degrees Celsius. Before reaching this 1 km it will be 18. Yes or not? Every kilometer dry adiabatic lapse rate is increasing. So here it is 18, here it is 18 suppose, and here it is 10, 10, 10. So what will happen? This, he will find that I am colder, and he will say that I am what? Warmer. Yes. And this way, at the reason where the air is what is the reason where the air is what descending down, in that at any height such kind of phenomena can take place, and thereafter the wind convection will stop, and here the temperature inversion ho gaya. It can be at 2 kilometer. It depends upon the how much colder air is descending and what is the temperature. This phenomena can happen what is 1.5, 2 kilometer, 0.5 kilometer. It can be 30 or 20. It can be any temperature. अंडरस्टूड. ये बहुत खतरनाक है. पहला तो ये एयर को जाने नहीं दे रहा है, अपने आप खुद ही उतर रहा है, और दूसरी चीज इसने नीचे वाले रीजन को कोल्ड बना दिया. एंड इन द लंदन सच थिंग हैपेंड इन द इनिशियल ऑफ 20th century. And then there is a concentration of what large amount of chemical pollutants, and